and please do share this particular video to all your friends who are facing the issue, because it's a matter of 2+ years of their hard work. So just by 650 rupees or just by these payment issues, they should not miss the chance of writing JEE mains May session. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayala, and I feel this particular video is need of the hour because I can see many comments, many students are facing the issues related to payment in JEE mains 4th session, that is final session, May session, which is to be conducted on July 27 to August 2nd. Please do watch the video till the end. I will be clearing you all the doubts regarding that particular thing. If you still have any doubts, you can mail me, message me in Instagram, link in the description for the Instagram ID, and you can also comment down. And if you still have any doubts which you wanted to clarify by calling me, so there is a video which I explained how you can call me using Call Me For app. So the video link is also in the description. Today is the last date. Today 12th July 11:50 PM, that is night 11:50 PM is the last date and last time where you can apply for 4th session, that is May session, which is to be conducted on July 27 to August 2nd. For both BArch and BTech papers will be there, and it's based on your wish whether you are applying for 1 paper or 2 papers. It's your wish. So that is the last date, and many people are having payment issues. Even though they paid, money got deducted, but there is no update in the confirmation page or in the JEE main NTA website. So that in the dashboard, I mean, here I am at the NTA main website. I mean jeemain.nta.ac.in, so nic.in. So I will be leaving this particular website link in the description. You can use that. Just click on this form registration or edit the correction form. So after that, you will be taken here into this particular interface. Now enter your application number and password and security pin and click on sign in. So let me do that. So if you see, I have logged into one of your student's account who he also already paid 2 times. Still, if you see just now, let me show you one thing. So he paid 2 times. Still, he did not got updated here for sessions applied for. It is only February, March and April. So there it need to be updated with May. So still he did not got updated. He paid 2 times. Even though he paid 2 times, he did not get updated, right? So I have a solution for you guys. So again, so don't worry, like what I feel is, so you have worked 2 years and more than 2 years for this particular JEE mains exam for getting into your dream NIT IIT. So don't take a step back just for the case of paying another 650 rupees. So don't worry, like your money will be wasted, your money will be refunded back, because during March session also same thing happened to many people, and many people made a double payments, so they got accepted. I have given a solution for them, so they paid and refund this as NTS like promised. They will be refunding back all the amount soon. I mean, till now they did not give any refund, but surely you will get the refund from NTA if you pay the double amount. So what I suggest you is, so just for the sake of 650 rupees, please don't take risk, because there are people who lost their one session of exam in March just for the sake that as I already paid, it will be updated, no issues. So they just waited like that. So what you can do is, like see here, pay additional 650 rupees there, right? Just click on this. So if you see, you will be taken to online payment and click on proceed to payment. You click on, are you sure you want to pay? Yes. Okay. So now you will be taken to this particular interface. So now here is the main thing. Here you will be getting the main and easy solution which I wanted to say. So don't think that I don't have HDFC card, so I should not use HDFC payment gateway. It is nothing like that. So in this particular thing, try to select HDFC bank payment gateway. So it is not like you are paying from your HDFC account. It is HDFC is acting as a medium of money transfer between you and NTA. So it is a mode of money transferring. So don't think that you should surely have HDFC card or HDFC net banking for paying through that particular payment gateway. So I will be showing you. So click on HDFC payment gateway. So here you will be having these chances. Click on pay with HDFC credit card, HDFC debit card, other bank credit card, other bank debit card, net banking, any net banking, any UPI. So here I would suggest either you can use debit cards or net banking. Please don't use UPI. So UPI creates a lot of issues. I am 100% sure that you will get updated. So don't worry about the previous payments. Previous payments will be given back to you. Okay. And one more important thing, they think that most of the people think that in this fee payment details, don't think that it should get updated with the new details. No issues. So if you see, this particular student got only updated with 650. He also added March and April, but this particular payment is for February. So don't think that it will also update. No issues if fee payment details are updated or not. Only check whether this particular sessions applied exam for, so sessions of exam apply for, so here you should get apply update. That is most important thing. Once again I'm saying deadline is July 12th, that is today 11:50 p.m. so by today pay one more time. Please take a risk because it's a matter of 2+ years of hard work. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye. Jai Hind.